Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 12 FS and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and for example it does not respond to your touches. You can try to force restart it just by pressing the power button and the volume up button together. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons and wait and see. Let's see what happens. Let me press both of them. And as you can see, we've got this a restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. Keep pressing all the time. Do not release your fingers. As you can see, we've got black screen, which is really good. We've got the vibration, the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully soft reset or force restarted our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.